Welcome all of you. Today, to see something about mutable and immutable properties of data objects. So, last time we discussed about identifiers. Hope you have understood it. And this is about mutable and immutable, which actually means there is an ID created, an identification number that is created when you create an object. This ID can change or cannot change. So mutable is where the ID stays the same even when you make any changes to the object. When immutable, the ID changes. So let's see. There is a built-in function, what we call as ID. What is the importance of this object is to know the identity of an object, or you can say it generates an ID. If you want to know the ID, you will just put the ID followed by the parenthesis where you will put the name of the object, which actually returns the ID of the object. So how it is going to vary between mutable and immutable? There is a type function which we discussed in a previous class. Actually, this is used to find out the type of object it is. You want to know what type of data type is assigned to a particular object. So what is an immutable one? Today we will discuss something about immutable also, giving thrust on immutable. In Python, immutable objects are values that cannot be changed. So are those whose value cannot be changed in place after assignment. After assignment, immutable, you can think of immutable as unchangeable or something which doesn't change. They allocate a new memory, so it stays. Whatever is created, that is always blocked. So the value is changed. Examples of an immutable data type is the integers, the floats, all the data types are examples of immutable. When the arrays, the list, tuples and dict and all, we can see it as mutable objects where the ID stays the same. Now coming to an example, let's see if you see the example, you can see numbers are, say there are, if we are changing, there are two values, imagine 23 and 11 is there, and if you want to change the number from 11 to 8, if you want to change, now what happens to it? Actually what happens is B changes location to the new value, and the old one what was used before, so it is not, it is going to be removed. So this process is what we call as garbage collection. Those things which are not used, those things which are not required, and those things which is not relevant will be removed from memory. So this is part of garbage collection in your compiler. The diagram what we saw, the value of the variable b was changed from 11 to 8, but because it is an integer, it's a number, and also it is what you call immutable or unchangeable variable, the new memory is allocated and the old one would be discarded by means of garbage collection. Every time you change the value, a new object is created. Old object is discarded. So this is what happens in an immutable. The old value is not replaced, but it is discarded and a new value is created. So to see the program of immutable object or variable example, now if you think this is the program, I'll show you the execution. If x equals 10, let us say I'm just copying this, and if I run this on the compiler, let's see what happens. I am just coming to the Python so that you would understand better. I'm trying to run it. Let me go for a new file and let me paste whatever is copied from there. See here, the value x is there As I said, it automatically assigns the data type, and X is now, I have not defined this as an integer, string or anything. It understands by itself. This is the difference between other programs and this Python. X equal to, I am assigning a value 10 to X. I am printing the value of X, so 10 would be printed, the second line. Third line, I want the ID of X to be printed. So I have given ID in bracket X. So a value will be printed. Now the next line, I am adding or I am changing the value of X from 10 to 30, for example. X equal to X plus 20, that means 10 plus 20 you will get 30. Okay, now I am printing the value again. Now it will print 30. Then I am printing the ID of X. Now what is going to happen? Let's check. I am just saving this file. I'll save it as an example. Now I am executing this program. Let's see what happens. So here you can see the first, when it was 10, the number was 2253184985680. The second one, check, the ID has changed, which means 10 was replaced by 30, or 10 is given a new value 30, or X is given a new value 30 from 10. Now in the first case it was 680 as the last three digits, and in the second case, after you append or add, you see there is a change. So the ID changes. So that value which is created first would be discarded by the garbage collection mechanism. Hope you have understood, and we will see something about the other thing. This is what? Immutable properties. We will see the mutable properties in our next meeting. Hope you have understood what is immutable, where the ID changes, and you can get back to me if there is any doubt. I will be contacting you often through my YouTube videos. We will go through the whole of your Python in bits and pieces. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you are able to understand what I am talking about, what we are discussing about. And if you like the video, please share and give a like to me. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.